set up to watch the whole thing. And
You're
so I
too
might have
busy.
stepped out of the room for a minute.
Howard, what is with you? You are too busy. I called you twice yesterday.
Fly with caution.
You get voicemail 2 times.
I was very busy yesterday.
Yeah, you're completely unavailable. I called her on Friday. She goes, Friday's a terrible day for me. I don't know what day it was. Friday's a terrible day for me. I have this and I have that. And I'm like, why are you so busy? What are you busy with over there? It's like
Fly with caution.
In Robin's place. I call over there and it's like, I'm busy. I tell you, it's easier to contact my buddy Ralph than Robin. I'm not kidding.
Oh.
Yeah, it's true.
He's easy to get a hold of.
Yeah, what do you want, Gary?
No, I was going to say that these things go on forever. So I think kickoff was like 6:42. I think that Audra O'Day thing was at like 6:11. Like everything starts so early now.
All these guys are super proud of tweeting and like just saying their every thought. Like, a congressman wouldn't really go ahead and say, lift every voice and sing, I won't let my wife watch the Super Bowl. Any moronic thing they're thinking, they tweet, and I tell you, their audience on a